let me introduce myself. My name is Safira. You can call me Vira. Now, I will explain about the Bala Lompoa Museum. I will tell you the Bala Lompoa Museum in several aspects. The first aspect is the history of Bala Lompoa, then the shape of the Bala Lompoa Museum building, and the third is the function of the Bala Lompoa Museum, and the last is the structure of the Bala Lompoa Museum building. And then, so now starting from the history of Bala Lompoa. Bala Lompoa literally means a big house or a big house inhabited by a king. Bala Lompoa was built in 1936 after the appointment of the King of Goa XXXV I Mangi Mangi Daeng Matutu Karayeng Bonto Nompo with the title Sultan Muhammad Tohir Mahibudin. Bala Lompoa is the residence of the king as well as the center of government of the Kingdom of Goa. The construction of the palace and center of government activities was carried out as a rejection of one of the. There are several types of building Bala Lompoa Museum, starting from the first, the top or Ulu Bala, Etik or Pamakang. The second, body of the host or Kale Bala. And the third, the bottom of the host or Pasiran, and the last, star or ulkers. So, then the third is the function of the different form of the Bala Lompoa Museum building, and the last is the structure of the Bala Lompoa Museum. The structure of Bala Lompoa building consists of several parts. The first is fort or pillar, then there is a pillar or support, the third is a dapara or floor, and the last one is ring or wall. So now then I will explain in more detail about the Bala Lompoa Museum from these four aspects. Bala Lompoa is rumah panggung or house of states that reflects cultural form of the past. And function of Bala Lompoa consists of three parts. The first part is upper part is called loteng or pamakang, middle part which is the body of the house called kalebala, and the lower part called is pasiringan. Traditional architecture of local culture Makassar Bugis put forward elements of decoration used at home traditional, which takes many forms of flora and fauna. At a glance in terms of traditional house mentioned that conceptually architecture, society traditional South Sulawesi or Bugis, Makassar, and Toraja. Philosophy Bugis traditional life Makassar, which is called Sulapa Apa, show effort to perfect self. Their traditional house influenced by understanding structure. Cosmos refers to divided realm on three parts, namely the upper realm, natural middle, and the lower realms. Therefore, Makassar Bugis traditional house composed of three levels in form of rectangular. Bala Lompoa literally means big house or big house inhabited by the King Bala Lompoa is at in the middle of Sungaminasa City, Regency Goa, South Sulawesi Province, specifically at Jalan Sultan Hasanuddin number 48, and this location it is a cultural site in the complex covers an area of about 3 hectares. Behind there is wall thick natural stone and wooden doors, wide and sturdy, while in the front of is a low permanent fence and the patch that opens, and beside of Bala Lompoa buildings has a building Tamalate Palace that is a faraway is size large once built in the area Goa region leadership. The rise of architectural developments modern that adorns the building in urban areas. The existence of traditional Bala Lompua house seems to be obscured by the splendor of luxurious building that is around him. Bala traditional house Lompua as a reflection of architecture Makassar traditional. Rich cultural heritage need to be preserved in order to strengthen national culture resilience. Therefore, architectural assessment is necessary traditional Bala Lompua, which is the realities of the Bala of the past culture still survive as a symbol of success Goa Kingdom of the past. In the action, manuscript of Javanese literature and the Bugis Makassar papyrus, it is clear that the relevance between the environment and human cultural life can be found. This is manifested in the depiction of the shape of the traditional house that he created. The concept of the traditional South Sulawesi architecture, referring the message or wills that come from the beliefs and custom of the people of Sulawesi. South Bala Lompua architecture from an architectural point of view, the building Bala Lompua is shaped steel house which is a reflection from the traditional house during the Kingdom Goa. Characteristic of Bala Lompua is in turn not only works, just physical cultural heritage and traces archaeology historical in the form of technopark and idiomatic, but much interest people will this historical building become attractive tourist attraction people always coveted for visited. In the past, this traditional house served as a residence and meetings of the kingdom's traditional leaders Goa, but converted as a museum to commemorate to the trip history of the kingdom of Goa. The Bala Lompua traditional house consists of on three parts, namely the upper part which called etik or pamakang. It works as the ceiling. The middle is the body of the house is called kalebala. It works a living room and bedroom. And the bottom or under the house called pasirang. Function is special palace. The three parts symbolize the philosophy of Megij Apa. Upper art or ulubala, etik or pamakang. The roof of the house or ulubala. The frame is prismatic and words came cup called kite. Hambadi or Kalebala main house or house body Bala Lompua measures 60 by 40 meters consists of three parts, namely the front called Padaerang Riolo, part the middle is called Padaerang Ringapa, and the back is called Padaerang Riboko. The bottom of the house or pasiran at the bottom of Balas house Lompua dug solid pillars. House support house pole the custom numbered 78 pieces made of thick wood which is strong enough so that the pole has been changed since this house built. So the center pada serang Tri Tangah was used as a place to accept guests and as a place of discussion, as well as ritual ceremonies. In this section is a quiet extensive, which is approximately 18 x 8 meters. In this space, there is a collection of photos of the king who had commanded the kingdom of Goa. Two umbrellas of the greatness of King Goa, and some clothes had been worn by King Goa at power in power. The back pada Serang Riboko is the third room, used a bedroom and place to store the relics of Kingdom Goa called Godong Kalampuang. In that room there are 2 rooms and cubicle. 1 room is used as rock area Kingdom of Goa. This room is a special room and very sacred. Therefore, not all visitors can enter in except special guests, such as country guests or those who still have direct offspring with King Goa. 3. Bottom of the house or pasturation. The bottom of the Balalompua traditional house is currently functioned as a stock area used during the Goa royal government. According to this bendy vehicle information which is always used by the king in the activities or journey around Goa. 4. Stair or ulkers. The shape of the Balalompua staircase consists of 13 stairs called the Sopulantolu Backway, which means the man's ladder tier 13. B. Structure of the building. The building structure of the Makassar traditional house is different from other traditional house because of the traditional Makassar house is a stage house that use a buffer pole and doesn't use the foundation. The first fortress or pole at home Balalompua pole 78 buffer. The pole consists of a buffer pole 385. The host amounted to 48. The buffer pole of the Serambi or Lego numbered 9 pieces, and the rear porch or kitchen 21 pieces. The porch buffer pole is smaller than the home of the body buffer. 2. Palanga buffer. There are several types of beams used in the framework of the Balalompua home as follows. A. Palanga, consisting of Palanga Lompo and Palanga Chadi. Palanga Lompo, namely a long flat beam wrapped around the longitudinal pile of house, lined up from left to right with a distance of 1x1 meters. Palanga Chadi is a flat beam installed above Palanga Lompo as a support for the floor of the house in size smaller than Palanga Lompo. B. Patodo is a beam that becomes a stack on the pillars of the house. However, in the traditional Balalompua house, which became a buffer pole peg, was a stack made of iron. To strengthen the pole, installed 2 beams that flip the wall post of the house. C. Sompuang is a long flat beam installed along the home body and becomes the supply of the roof frame. D. Padongko is a flat beam mounted along the roof of the house at the top, the front and rear onjong place. E. Tapi is triangle set beam on the left and right side of Sambulayang. 3. Dapara or floor. Balalompua house floor made of blackwood boards, installed a longitudinal home or padaserang, measuring 8 meters long and 60 centimeters wide. Each room is limited by the wall, which is an isolation between the living room and the back room. 4. Ring wall. Lompua Bala house wall made of wood boards as a cover Patajala Wall for number 3, September 2012. 378 until 390. From the home body, the walls according to the location can be distinguished. A. Ring riolo or front wall, which has a front window. B. Ring uluang or hulu wall, namely the wall on the right side of the house. 3. Ornamental forms. Decorative variety of Balalompua buildings imaginatively is the greatness of the kingdom of Goa in the past in general. Decorative variety has a basic pattern that comes from nature around humans. There is decorative variety in the form of floras or flora, animal shapes or fauna, Arabic or calligraphy, and other natural objects. Back, both in the main house and on the porch, the decoration is made of wood resembling a buffalo's head and painted in white and black. This buffalo head symbolized wealth and high social status. The ornaments found on the right cover in the form of an inverted triangle carved at each level of the sambulayang symbolize the three realms, namely the upper realms, the lower realms, and the core realms. The ornamental variety in the form of flora is found on the front and left walls of the porch or lego in the form of a pineapple is in this place. In decoration is intended so that those who will face the king show a sweet face and good behavior so that they are well received by the king. On the banister, or in the Makassar language, or cucurang pombali, there is a decoration that resembles a three-tiered pyramid. This decoration symbolizes certification, namely nobility or atta, while the rectangular pillar symbolizes sulapa apa, which means perfection. Transomology in the traditional architecture of the Balalompua traditional house. A macrocosmos replica. This building contains a philosophical basis according to the Makassar custom, which has the view that the universe is horizontally rectangular in the Makassar language, or sulapa apa, heaven, earth, and motherland, which is the number 3, the number of the cosmos. The philosophical meaning of the ulubala, shaped in the form of triangular prisms with a tree structure with symbolizes the social stratification of society consisting of nobility, body, and their descendants. To Mara Deka, or ordinary people or common people, beside the ulubala also means religious. Besides that, we can see that the 5-story flyover cannot be separated from the meaning that the ruler or king inhabiting the Balalompua is the ruler or king. The buffalo head, which is located on the two ovals of the house, shows that the owner of the house is a respectable person. B. Reflection of human form in the main house. There are several rooms that are reflected as human being or rupa tau. The front room, pada serang riolo, is symbolized as the human head or ulu tau. The middle room, pada serang ritanga, is considered the human body, namely the neck to the stomach, and the back room, pada serang riboko, is considered human language. One had its own meaning. And then for building orientation, the direction of the Balalompua building is facing south. It is in accordance with the view of the Islamic religion that the best house is facing south, unless the traditional Balalompua architecture reflects the traditional house architecture of the Makassar tribe, whose activity and room function are adjusted to the aesthetic values of the Makassar people. The Balalompua palace was once inhabited by two kings, namely Imangi Deng Matutu Karaeng Bonto Nompo and Sultan Muhammad Tahir Mahibuddin. 35 King of Goa tumenanga risunguna en andi ijo maeng matawang karayang lalolang en Sultan Muhammad Abdul Qadir Adidin 5th King of Goa. The Bala Lompoa custom is a very valuable asset for the people of Sulawesi and especially the Goa district government. Okay, that's all enough for me and thanks for attention. Thank you.